అదే ఇప్పుడు మూడు తీసి పెట్టింది. గ్రీన్ ఒకటి, ఇప్పుడు పింక్ ఒకటి, పింక్ ఆరెంజ్. మరి మూడిట్లో ఒకటి తీసుకోమన్నారా?
Namaskaram to all the lovely ladies and a loyal customer. We are back at a beautiful Vara Mahalakshmi store and we have 14 of these all over Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So if you live in South, you are in great luck today. Let's begin with talking about my sari. Today's episode is all about Venkatgiri Pattu saris. Let me tell you more about my sari. It is a red sari with green border. You can see the body. It has peacock and floral patterns in zari. Look at the beautiful border. You can see the pallu. It has polkas and zari. So beautiful. And the blouse is in contrast, green and orange. I hope you like it. So let's talk about the how you can order this sari online. So the item code is 0262 and the offer price on this sari is 13,275. If you like it, and I'm sure you do that, please take a screenshot along with the item code and WhatsApp it to 8889104104. Let's move on to the next sari. Also, can you see my jewelry? Have a close look. It's uncut diamonds with emeralds. It's beautiful, right? It's from Avigna Fine Jewelry. It's based in Banjara Hills and you can check out all the details in the description box below. Let's move on to our next sari. I know you're really excited to see that. So as you can see, the body of the sari isn't it a beautiful one? With all the flowers, the zari, the golden work on this. It's a beige sari with purple border. Flowers, it's the color of nature, it's the color of peacock. It's the color of everything beautiful and it will make you look so amazing on every event and every function and every wedding. Have a look at the border. And now I will take you forward to the blouse. Isn't it beautiful? What a contrast with the sari color. Let's move on to the next sari. This again is a beautiful Venkatgiri Pattu sari with silver zari work and a green vibrant border. Have a look at this beautiful border. It's specially made for all our beautiful, lovely South Indian ladies. It will make your complexion glow. It will make you look so beautiful in every event. Let's move on to the blouse. Beautiful combination with violet and green. Our video will be saved on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So if you miss it right now, do not worry. You can always come back, watch it and order it online later. I'm making sure that you get the details, you don't miss on everything. So have a look very nicely. Let's move on to our next sari. Wow, what a lovely color. What a beautiful sari. Can you see? The hot pink color, the combination of pinks with the silver zari. Wow, I totally love this. Have a look at the pallu. It's a pink sari with leaves, buttis and lines. The border has florals and peacocks in lines, and the pallu has paisleys, buttis in cross lines. The blouse is again in contrast. I'll show you the blouse now. Beautiful blouse. So if you want to order this sari, the code is 0265 and the offer price on this is 13,650 rupees. Please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8889104104. Let's move on to the next sari now. Our global courier service is global delivery service is available, so do not worry. We deliver it all over the world. Wherever you are, US, Australia, UK, you can get your hands on these beautiful pattu saris always. Let's move on to the next sari. Beautiful, vibrant yellow sari with a pink border. Let me tell you, this is the color of spring. This is the color of season. If you are attending any function this season, please buy this sari. I think this is one of my personal favorites till now. Have a look at the pallu. It has triangles in zari, and the blouse is again in contrast. If you want to order this sari, please take a screenshot of the sari along with the item code 0200. Our offer price on this sari is 8,925 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Moving on to our next sari now. For inquiries and feedback, drop a message on our WhatsApp number itself, 8889104104. Love this red sari. Wow. Imagine how much a bride will glow in this sari. As you can see, our pallu and border has floral embroidery on that, floral zari work on this, and multicolor flowers. Lilies we have on this. Beautiful sari for beautiful season of spring. It's a red and orange sari with floral buttis in zari, floral jal with meenakari work in the borders, and floral jal with peacocks on the pallu. The blouse is again in contrast with the sari. If you want to order this sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, which is 0272, and our offer price on this is 13,650 rupees. Don't miss this offer. Let me know if you want this sari. You can take a screenshot and send it on 8889104104. And let's move on to our next sari. Wow, one of my favorite colors, baby pink sari with blue border. Wow, lovely. Lovely sari. So it's a light pink sari with blue border. The body has leaf buttis. The border has kadi And the pallu has floral brocade with peacocks and paisley butties. The blouse is again going to be in contrast with the sari, since that seems to be the trend right now. This sari is perfect for smaller events like engagement, baby shower, bridal shower. I love this, and if you want to order it, you can always take a screenshot along with the item code 0219, and the offer price is 8,925 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next sari now. Wow, look at this beautiful color of fresh wheat in the farms. It's a mehndi green and peach color sari. The body has florals and peacocks butties in zari checks. The border has floral butties with peacock, and the pallu has polkas and zari lines. The blouse is again going to be in contrast, as I always already mentioned that this is the season trend, blouses in contrast. And if you want to order this sari online, please take a screenshot along with the item code 0255. The offer price on this sari is 11,175 rupees, and you can take the screenshot and send it to 8889104104. I repeat, 8889104104. And let's move on to our next beautiful sari. Wow, the color of royalty. It's a mustard green sari with the body of flower butties in zari. The border has elephants and peacocks with floral butties, and the pallu has flower brocade. You can tell how rich this color and this sari looks. Now let's show the blouse. Blouse is in contrast. It's a dark green color, completely in contrast with the mustard color sari. And if you want to order this beautiful, rich, royal sari, take a screenshot along with the item code 0245. The offer price is 10,650 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. I hope you love our saris today. Let's move on to the next one. Wow. So the color is blue and pink. The body has flowers and paisleys butties in zari. You can see the border, birds and flowers with cross lines. And the pallu, flower butties in cross checks. Moving on to the blouse. Again, a hot pink contrast blouse. And our jewelry partner is Avigna Fine Jewelry. You can see I'm wearing uncut diamonds with emerald. The store is at Banjara Hills, and you can always see the details are mentioned right below in the description box. Look at this bangle. If you want to order this beautiful sari, let's move on to the next one first. So the one which I'm wearing now is a red and green sari. The leaves butties in zari, and the border has cross lines with peacocks and floral jal. The pallu has flower brocade with peacocks. And now the blouse again is in contrast, as you can see. If you want to order this beautiful sari, you can always take a screenshot along with the item code 0282. The offer price is 8,295. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next sari now. Lovely. So this one is a mehendi green and bottle green sari with triangles and polkas in zari. The border has kadi and the pallu has flowers and peacocks in curvy hex. The blouse is in contrast again. And if you want to order this beautiful sari, you just have to take a screenshot along with the item code 0235, and our offer price for all our beautiful viewers is 9,225 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. It's a one-time offer, so do not forget to order. Let's move on to our next sari. Wow, beautiful pink and orange sari. I totally love this. The body has floral booties. And the best thing about our saris is that they are sold at weaver's price. The border you can see has peacock and floral booties in cross checks, and the pallu has floral booties and cross checks. Let's move on to the blouse, which is going to be in contrast with the pink sari. And to order this, all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0247, and the price for this one is 9,975 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Let's move on to the next sari. What a lovely pink and blue sari. The florals and paisleys booties in sari are for the body. The border you can see. The border you can see has birds and florals with cross lines, and the pallu has floral booties and cross checks. Now the blouse is in contrast, as you can see here, with the blue sari, totally contrasting. And if you really like this sari and would like to order this, all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code 0276. Our weaver's price for this sari is 9,750, and this price is only for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Moving on to our next sari now. What a beautiful pink and green sari. Wow. The body has floral booties. The border has Paithani border. And the pallu has leaves brocades. Now let's move on to the blouse, which will be in contrast with our green sari. Oops. And if you like it so much, please take a screenshot along with the item code 020274. Our weaver's price for this sari is 8,925 rupees. The offer is for 24 hours. So take a screenshot and hurry up. You can send it to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next sari. Perfect sari for the summers, for the spring. It's a purple and blue sari with circles and zari. I like how the saris have a combination of contemporary as well as tradition. The border is kadi and the pallu, as you can see, is brocade with peacocks. Moving on to the blouse, which is in contrast with the purple sari and still in complete sync with the colors. If you like it, you can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code 0232. The weaver's price for the sari is 8,550 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. The price is only for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up. And let's move on to our next sari now. A beautiful yellow and sky blue sari. The body has munia buttis. The border, as you can see, has kadi. And moving on to the pallu, yalis and florals in lines. Now let's show you the blouse. Contrast blouse. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code 0227. The weaver's price for this sari is 8,550 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Our Vara Mahalakshmi showrooms are 14 of them in India, in South India. They are in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Karnataka also. Move on to our next sari. Lovely sea green sari with yellow color. Wow. The body has floral booties in tissue. The border has floral jal with peacocks and diamonds. The pallu has floral brocade. And let's move on to the blouse, which is a contrast with the sari. If you like it, you can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0281. The weaver's price for this sari is 8,325 rupees and it's only there for 24 hours. So make sure you take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Let's move on to the next sari, but before that, make sure that you press the follow button on all our social media platforms, because that's how you will get to know about our new products and that's how you will be able to have the best collection from India. Move on to our next sari now. Beautiful pink and blue sari. The body has floral jal with peacocks. The borders have floral jal with peacocks and cross lines. And the pallu has floral booties in curvy checks. Let's move on to the blouse, which is a contrast with the sari, a beautiful royal blue color. And if you like it, You can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code. The weaver's price for the saree is 16,425 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. The offer is there for only 24 hours. Let's move on to our next saree now. Off-white and beautiful pink saree. What an elegant saree for all our elegant viewers. The body has floral booties with lines. The border, as you can see, has floral booties in boxes with cross lines. And the pallu has floral booties and cross checks with peacocks. Let's move on to the blouse, which is in perfect contrast with the off-white saree, a beautiful pink blouse. And if you like it, you can take a screenshot and order along with the item code, that is 0231. Our weaver's price for the saree is 11,850 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. The price is only valid for 24 hours, so hurry up. Let's move on to the next saree now. Beautiful blue saree. All the Venkatgiri sarees have that elegance in them, as you can already see. It's a blue and pink saree with floral booties. The border has kadi with peacocks and floral jal. And the pallu has leaves brocade. The blouse is in contrast with our beautiful saree. And if you like it, you can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code 0237. The weaver's price for the saree is 8,325 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. And we have global courier service available, so do not worry, we'll deliver your order all over the world, anywhere from India. And let's move on to our next saree. A beautiful green and blue saree. It's a sea green and blue saree. The body has cross floral jal with peacocks. The borders, you can see, has floral jal. And the pallu has floral brocade with peacocks. Let's move on to the blouse, which is in contrast with our beautiful saree. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code. The item code is 0266 and weaver's price is 16,425 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. The best thing is that we have cash on delivery offer available only in Hyderabad. Let's move on to our next saree now. What an elegant, a beige and black saree. You can see the body has zari lines. The border has diamonds with peacocks and paisleys. And the pallu has peacocks and boxes along with diamonds. Let's move on to the blouse, which is again in contrast with our sari. As you can see, the border and the color just shows that how powerful is the person who's wearing this sari, the strength of a woman. So if you love this sari like I do, please take a screenshot along with the item code H307. The weaver's price for the sari is 11,475 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Now we'll move on to our next sari, but before that, I hope you saw my beautiful necklace, beautiful bangle. So the jewelry is from Avigna Fine Jewelers based in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. And if you want to know more details, it's down there in the description box. Please have a look. Let's move on to our next sari. A beautiful pink and green sari, a classic. All over the sari you can see we have floral jal with elephants and parrots. The border has Paithani border and the pallu has leaves brocade on it. I'll show you the blouse now, which will be a contrast to our pink sari. And if you like it, go ahead, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0258. The weaver's price for the sari is 8,325 rupees. You can take the screenshot and send it to 8889104104. As you know, our prices are only for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up, and we'll move on to the next sari now. Wow, I love this blue and yellow sari. You can see the leaves booties on entire sari body. The borders have elephants and peacocks with florals and cross lines. And let's move on to the pallu, which has cross lines with floral jal in lines. The blouse is in contrast with rest of the sari. And if you like it, you can take a screenshot along with the item code and order it. Item code is 0260. The weaver's price is 24,810 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Let's move on to the next sari. But please remember that we have global courier service and we can deliver anywhere in the world. So do order your precious saris from Hyderabad. Let's move on to our next sari. What a beautiful grey and pink sari. You can see the body has floral booties in tissue. The border has peacocks and florals with cross lines. And the pallu has floral brocade on this. The blouse is the perfect contrast blouse for this sari. And if you like it, you can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code 0268. The weaver's price is 16,537 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Cash on delivery is available in Hyderabad. Let's move on to our next sari. Beautiful red and yellow sari. I like how this is so bright. It's totally making my day. It will cheer you up if you wear this sari to a function. You can see the body. It has floral booties. The border has floral jal with booties in line. And pallu has floral brocade on it. The blouse is contrasting yellow color. And if you like this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0225. Weaver's price is 9,975 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. To make sure that you do not miss out on our new collections, new sarees, make sure that you hit like and follow button on all our social media pages. That way you will be updated about all our offers and all our collections. Let's move on to the next saree with that. I'm wearing an off-white pink saree with floral booties and curvy checks. The border has floral booties and lines. And then the pallu has leaves brocade. The blouse is in contrast with the saree. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code 0283. The weaver's price is 12,825 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next beautiful saree. What a beautiful green and pink saree. Floral booties with lines on the body. The border has floral booties and cross lines boxes. And the pallu has floral booties and cross checks with lines and yallis. Moving on to the blouse. Perfect color for contrast, pink. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code 0202. The weaver's price for the saree is 11,850 rupees. Take the screenshot and send it to 8889104104. That's our WhatsApp number. I hope you're liking our sarees till now, because we have so many more beautiful sarees left in the collection. Let's move on. It's a lovely pink and blue saree with floral booties and zari and checks. The border have diamonds with peacocks and floral jal. And the pallu has floral booties and curvy checks. You can see the blouse. Perfect contrast. And if you like it, you can order it by taking a screenshot along with the item code 0203. Weaver's price is 12,825 rupees. You have to send a screenshot to 8889104104. Let's move on to our next saree now. Again, I'm wearing the color of royalty, the royal green color with red. The body has leaves, booties and zari. The border has floral jal and the pallu has floral brocade. You can see the blouse. Lovely contrasting red color. And if you like it, you can take a screenshot along with the item code 0280. The weaver's price is 11,400 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. People who live in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, you are very lucky, because we have our Vara Mahalakshmi stores all over these states. We have 14 stores, so you can always walk in, check out the collection, try on the saris and let us know if you like them. You can buy them, gift it to your friends. Let's move on to our next sari now. I like this fresh lemon color. Wow. It's a green and pink sari. The body has floral booties. The border has peacock and floral jal. And the pallu has floral jal. The blouse is in contrast with the sari. If you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code 0253. Weaver's price is 13,650 rupees. The price is valid for only 24 hours, so you need to hurry up. Send the screenshot to 8889104104. Cash and delivery available in Hyderabad. Let's move on to our next sari. What a beautiful pink and green Venkatgiri Pattu sari. The body has floral booties on it. The border has floral jal with cross lines. And the pallu has floral booties and cross checks. Move on to the blouse, which is a vibrant green color, contrasting color. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code again. That will be 0277. Weaver's price is 12,450 rupees. And you can send it to 8889104104. Let's move on to our next sari. Beautiful green and black sari. The body has florals and peacock booties in zari. The border has elephants and peacocks with florals in line. And the pallu has zigzag lines. Let's move on to the blouse, which is in contrast with my rest of the sari. If you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0242. The weaver's price is 9,225 rupees. Send the screenshot to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next beautiful sari. A lovely purple and pink sari. Floral booties on the body, and the border has open border with zari lines. The pallu has floral booties and curvy checks, as you can see here. And the blouse contrasting with my purple sari. Like it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0229. Weaver's price is 7,500 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. 24 hours price, so please make sure you order really fast, you hurry up. Moving on to our next sari. It's a lovely blue and pink sari. The body has peacocks and paisleys, booties and zari checks. The borders have floral booties and cross checks with peacocks. And the pallu has brocade. Let's move on to the blouse, which is again in contrast with the rest of the sari. I'm sorry. Is that correct? Yes, this is how it is. The blouse is in perfect contrast with the rest of my sari. And if you like it, you can take a screenshot along with the item code, that is O213. The weaver's price is 8,925 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. The price is valid only for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up. And also, let's move on to our next saree. So now this collection is called Kuppadam collection, Kuppadam Pattu sarees. The color is black and grey. The body has copper brocade on it, and the borders have kaddi with peacock, small booties and cross checks. The pallu has florals and cross checks and leaves, and the blouse is in contrast with my brown saree. If you like it, you can always take a screenshot along with the item code MJ2737. The weaver's price is 20,670 rupees, and you can send the screenshot to 8889104104. Our stores are available in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. We have 14 stores all over South India. So if you live in any of these states, please visit our store. Let's move on to our next saree now. Beautiful royal blue saree. The body has floral booties in zari. The borders have floral jal with cross lines, and the pallu has floral brocade on it. Moving on to the blouse, which is a contrast to the rest of the saree. If you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is O207. The weaver's price is 12,450 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. And let's move on to our next saree. Lovely red and black saree. Totally love it. You can see the body has florals and peacocks booties in zari. The borders have elephants and peacocks with florals and lines. And the pallu has zigzag lines. As I told you already that our sarees are a combination of contemporary and tradition. Let's move on to the blouse. Perfect contrast to the rest of the saree. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is O241. The weaver's price is 9,225 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. The price is only valid for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up and place your order. Let's move on to our next saree. I like the freshness of this saree, the colors of this saree. It's a yellow and mustard saree from the collection Kuppadam. The body has floral booties. The border has zigzag lines with florals. And the pallu has floral booties, zigzag lines and florals in silver zari. It's a combination of all. Then we'll move on to the blouse, which is again a contrast. If you like it, you can take a screenshot and place your order along with the item code C408. The weaver's price is 15,945 rupees, and you have to send the screenshot to 8889104104. Do not forget, let me tell you this, do not forget to watch our live tomorrow at 1 p.m. We'll have so many more beautiful sarees. I know we have awesome today, but tomorrow it's going to be even better. And some of you who missed it today, please watch it later because it will be saved on all the platforms. And I hope to see you tomorrow again. Actually, I have some more sarees left for you. So you're in great luck. It's a teal blue saree with mehendi green color. The body has polkas and checks. The border has florals and peacocks with boxes. And the pallu has brocade work on it. Let's move on to the blouse. A perfect contrasting color for my perfect saree. If you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code and you can send it to WhatsApp 8889104104. The item code is G158 and the weaver's price is 10,200 rupees. 8889104104. Let's move on to our next saree now. I personally love this one a lot. Wow. Have a look at this beautiful saree. The peach and green saree. The body has floral booty. The borders have cross lines with peacocks and florals. And the pallu, as you can see, has floral brocade work on this. Now I'll show you the blouse. This is the perfect teal green contrast. And if you like it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0279. The weaver's price is 10,650 rupees. Send the screenshot to 8889104104. Cash and delivery is available in Hyderabad and we have global courier service, so we can deliver it anywhere in the world. Let's move on to our next saree. A lovely green and blue saree again. You can see how beautiful the color is. For body we have floral booties in zari. The border has diamonds and peacocks with floral jal. And the pallu has floral booties in curvy checks. Let's move on to the blouse. Which is in perfect contrast with the rest of my saree, as you can see. And if you like it, and I'm sure you do, take a screenshot along with the item code 0211. The weaver's price is 8,325 rupees. You can send the screenshot to 8889104104. And we'll move on to our next beautiful, lovely saree. It's a beautiful green and orange saree. The body has booties in zari. You can see the border have diamonds and peacocks with floral jal. And the pallu, as you can see, has floral booties in curvy checks with peacocks. Let's move on to the blouse. You can see it's perfect contrast to my green saree, and if you like it, you can take a screenshot and place your order. The item code is 0269. The weaver's price is 8,325 rupees. Send the screenshot to 8889104104. And now we'll move on to our next saree. Saree. Don't you just love the pattern on this sari? The proper blend of contemporary and tradition. So the color is magenta pink. The body has deers and florals in boxes. The border has floral jal and cross lines. And the pallu has floral brocade on it. We'll move on to the blouse. Perfect contrasting color, hot pink with magenta. If you like it, you can place the order by taking a screenshot along with the item code, that is 0271. Weaver's price is 15,375 rupees. You can send a screenshot of 8889104104. After this, you can see all the saris on the mannequins and you will get to know the pricing details of the saris on the mannequins. And about my jewelry, my lovely necklace from Avigna Fine Jewelers. The store is in Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. And you can get all the details here down below in the description box. Let's move on now. Do I need to be in the frame for this? Just read from behind. So the sari which you are seeing right now is a lime blue sari. It's from our Venkatgiri Pattu sari collection, which you have been seeing all around. The body has elephants, parrots and floral booties in zari checks. The border has kadi work. And the pallu has paisleys booties in cross lines with peacocks and floral jal. You can see the blouse is a beautiful violet color, beautiful purple color, which goes perfectly with the pallu. It's totally contrasting with the rest of the sari. You can see the item code is 0224 and the weaver's price is 9,600 rupees. Take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Our prices are valid only for 24 hours, so you need to hurry up now. Moving on to our next sari. It's a black and pink sari, a beautiful black and pink sari. The body has paisleys and floral booties in zari. The border has floral booties with peacocks and deers. The pallu has leaves brocade on it. And the blouse is the perfect pink contrast with the black sari. Now, the item code for the sari is 0244 and the weaver's price is 9,750 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. We'll move on to our next lovely sari on the mannequin. It's a green and red sari, as you can see. The colors are so rich, so deep. The body has floral booties on them. The borders have diamonds and floral jal. You can see the pallu has floral booties and cross checks. And the blouse. The blouse is in perfect contrast with our lovely green sari. You can see the item code is 0246 and offer price is, our weaver's price is 10,650 rupees. If you want to order, take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. Now we'll move on to our next sari. A beautiful pink and orange sari which has floral booties and zari on the body. For the border, we have floral jal and booties. For the pallu, we have floral brocade work. And the blouse you can see is so beautiful. It's so elegant and very heavy work on that. The blouse is yellow and it's in the perfect contrast with the rest of the sari. The item code is 0233 and the weaver's price is 11,175 rupees. You can take a screenshot and send it to 8889104104. The prices are available only for 24 hours. So make sure you order it. Also, our live will be again there. We will be starting a live tomorrow at 1 PM again at the same store. So make sure you don't miss it, because if you miss it, you're going to lose out on so many beautiful sarees from a new collection. And I hope you really liked the episode today. I hope you ordered a lot. Namaskaram. Thank you all the lovely ladies.